Welcome. Today we'll walk you through the process of turning off instant booking on VRBO. To begin, log into your VRBO account and select the listing for which you want to adjust the booking settings. Once you've accessed your listing, navigate to the Property section. Within the Property settings, locate and click on Rules and Policies. Under Rules and Policies, you'll find the option for Booking Type. Click on this to access the Booking Type settings. Here you'll see the option for Instant Booking. To turn off instant booking, make sure to toggle the setting to 24-hour review, or a similar option that requires approval before booking is confirmed. After making your selection, click on Save to apply the changes. You may be prompted to provide a reason for turning off instant booking. Simply follow the prompts and click Continue to proceed. Once you've completed these steps, instant booking will be turned off for your listing. That's it. You've successfully disabled instant booking on VRBO. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.